Yo, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, my name is Jason and I create editing tutorials based on After Effects. And with that out of the way, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create this chromatic trippy effect in After Effects. Starting off, I'm gonna go here to new and create our adjustment layer right here. So I'm gonna go here to our effects and presets tab, and for our first effect I'm gonna add S_halftone rings. Drag it in right here, and it's gonna create this kind of crazy circular rings. Not sure how to explain it, but yeah. I'm going here to our rings frequency, and I'm gonna bring it all the way up to 336, so our clip looks way much better. You can actually see what you're looking at. So I'm gonna go here to our rings angle and bring it all the way up to 189. So once after that, I'm gonna close out the halftone rings menu right there. And for the next effect I'm gonna add is glow. And it's going to start showing up a much harsher glow effect right here. I'm going to bring our threshold all the way down to 47. And I'm going to bring our radius up to 216. And it just spreads out our glow effect right here. So it's not harsh, fully in one place. So once after that, I'm going to close out our glow menu. And then for the next effect I'm going to add is S_distort chroma. Drag it in right here. It's going to start giving us this crazy and distorted chromatic effect. But I'm going to open up our timeline right here on our adjustment layer. Then I'm going to go to the beginning of our clip right here. I'm going to head to the mount and leave it at 1 at the start. I'm going to open up our timeline by pressing E, then U on the keyboard. Then I'm going to go right here to the end of our clip. Go to our mount and put it at 0.85. Then I'm going to highlight both of our keyframes right here, and ease both of our keyframes right there by pressing F9 on our keyboard. Then I'm gonna head back to the beginning of our clip once again, and I'm gonna go to our blur lens and create our first keyframe. Then I'm gonna head right here. And I'm actually gonna change our clip from 96 all the way up to 494. And it's gonna start messing around with our clip. So we're not gonna have these rings or kind of distorted effect right here, but it's kind of hard to see. We're gonna head towards the end of our clip right here, and we're gonna go to our blur lens and put it at 1792 or 1792 and put it right there. Then I'm gonna highlight both of our keyframes right here, and F9 eases both keyframes right there. Then I'm gonna head to a warp red right here. Then I'm just gonna put at 1.49. Then once after that, I'm gonna highlight our 2 keyframes right here at the end and actually push it way towards the back. And apart from that, I'm gonna close out our S_distort chroma right here. Close out our timeline right there. Save our project so we don't lose this newly created effect we just did. And apart from that, that'll say create a chromatic trippy effect in After Effects. And if you did like this video or you learned something new, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And apart from that, keep on working hard, keep on staying creative, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.